Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to extract middle characters of the string. So I'm going to extract now equal to the formula is MID, and I need write this characters. I'm going to just find N and W. So 1 2 3 4, it starts with 4 and it's end with 6. See this, the middle characters I found. This one, right, how many characters you want? I just want 3, so I'm just making N and W. I found it. So the same way you can do MID here, and just need to find HAM. So 1 2 3 4 5, H starts with 5. So then how many I need? 3. So the same way you can do this. Also you can put the same formula within the code, the string you can use. For example, the key. So here I need only k, so 4, and how many need? I need only 1. See, the key is coming. So the same way you can do see, that's it, the same formula you can see here. That's it. This is the way you can extract the middle middle characters of any text in the cell. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please put comments and feedbacks in my video form. Thank you. Bye.